Hello and welcome to Crypto Craze, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency news and education. Buckle up for an intense ride as we take you on a journey through a content-packed video that is not to be missed. So please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. On Wednesday, April 19th, Akron Finance announced that it will be joining Chainlink's build program to ramp up adoption of the Akron Crossing Network. Really quick, guys, it's worth noting that I am not a certified financial or investment advisor by profession. Please understand that this video should not be taken as financial or investment advice, though this likely comes as no surprise to you. For those who are unaware, Chainlink is an industry-standard Web3 services platform that has been working tirelessly to connect various blockchain platforms. And with their build program, Chainlink seeks to supercharge the Chainlink effect for decentralized applications via aligning different cross-ecosystem initiatives. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of how this benefits us, the savvy crypto investors. Akron Finance's decision to join the build program means that they will be accelerating the growth of the Akron Crossing Network by gaining access to Chainlink's Oracle services and technical support. This move will also incentivize Chainlink's crypto-economic security in exchange for the commitment to offer network fees and other benefits to the Chainlink community. By joining Chainlink, Akron Finance secures priority support from the Chainlink ecosystem, which will facilitate a strong incentive alignment between Akron Finance communities and Chainlink. Akron Finance will also be maximizing the benefits of reliability and security offered by Chainlink Oracle infrastructure providers. But that's not all. Akron Finance shall receive key benefits, such as access and integration of secure, high-quality market data using the Chainlink price feeds, which will help them automate a swap function using the access to Chainlink automation. And in exchange for receiving these services from Chainlink, Akron Finance will make 5% of its native token supply available to other Chainlink service providers, including stakes. These mutually aligned economic incentives will allow both communities, Akron and Chainlink, to serve each other. And with the Akron Crossing Network seeking to create a decentralized exchange that will enable the trading of large cryptocurrency positions with minimal friction, this is a huge win for savvy crypto investors. The Akron Crossing Network's DEX facilitates near-zero price impact matching or crossing of large orders against other large orders or small atomic swap orders at a spot price sourced from a reliable decentralized exchange such as Uniswap. Currently, the median trade size of DEX is relatively small, so most large orders execute only on centralized exchanges. But with the company bringing the concept of crossing networks to the DeFi space, they plan to offer near-zero price impact for large orders and swaps, MEV protection, as well as earning fees on swaps. For our next story of the day, we are going to talk about the Solana Foundation's latest move towards sustainability. In collaboration with data platform Tricarbonara, Solana has launched a real-time tracking dashboard to measure carbon emissions on the Solana blockchain. That's right, Solana is the first major smart contract blockchain to measure carbon emissions in real time, making transparency and sustainability a top priority for the foundation. So, what's on this dashboard, you ask? Well, the dashboard displays various indicators such as total node count, megawatt hours, total carbon emissions average and marginal use, and even comparison charts where users can view side-by-side comparisons of Solana usage versus other emission-producing activities. According to the chart, burning a gallon of gasoline is equivalent to conducting 140,416.67 transactions on the Solana blockchain, whereas performing a Google search adds up to 1.25 transactions. That's some mind-blowing information right there. The data used to power the Solana Foundation's real-time carbon emissions dashboard is available open source. With the launch of this dashboard, the Solana Foundation hopes to set a new standard for measuring emissions in blockchain by publishing this data. With increasing global efforts to utilize blockchain technology to monitor carbon emissions around the world, it's safe to say that sustainability and transparency will be a top priority for future blockchain projects. And as we know, Investors love to put their money into projects that align with their values and have a positive impact on the environment. By prioritizing sustainability, the Solana Foundation is setting an example for the blockchain industry and showing investors that they are committed to making a positive impact. And let's not forget about the recent budget plans proposed by President Joe Biden, which would add an excise on electricity used for cryptocurrency mining in the amount of 30%. By prioritizing sustainability and transparency, blockchain projects can avoid potential future regulatory hurdles and continue to thrive in a rapidly growing industry. The Solana Foundation is leading the way towards sustainability in the blockchain industry with their real-time tracking dashboard for carbon emissions. Will other blockchain outfits adopt similar tracking systems? Only time will tell, but it's clear that transparency and sustainability are becoming increasingly important in the world of crypto investing. And now, for our last story of the day. After years of development, the first batch of NFT-based gaming projects are finally entering the market, paving the way for a world where real life and games will be blended seamlessly. According to Origin Protocol's co-founder Matthew Liu, users can start collecting more digital goods as NFTs, more than even physical goods like clothing, watches, or cars. In the next 10 years, he believes that we could be wearing our VR glasses or still using our phones, but we will be able to port our avatar and NFT items across platforms. This means that savvy crypto investors can invest in NFT-based gaming projects, acquire virtual assets, and increase their gains in the long run. Alex Connolly, co-founder of Immutable, has also noticed an increase in competition in the gaming sector as more projects and developers seek to address blockchain-based challenges such as interoperability. Building games is hard and takes a while to make them good, but the best Web3 games that have ever been built are starting to emerge. Linus Chung, vice president of product at Origin Protocol, believes that companies trying to merge NFTs in their business should focus on significantly improving one pain point in people's lives that traditional methods do not solve. The last bull market has shown that people will go through all of the hoops of acquiring crypto, getting a MetaMask wallet because there is some carry at the end of that tunnel that's way better than the traditional way of doing things. One of the real-world applications of NFTs is the tokenization of investment assets, and the real estate industry is one of its primary targets. This means that NFTs can be used to provide tokenized NFTs for real estate, making it a massive market that crypto investors can invest in. Solon Labs CEO Maxwell Lyman noted that while many projects, blockchains, and coins are decentralized, their infrastructure relies on centralized ecosystems, exposing them to security and censorship risks. However, NFTs may play a crucial role in achieving real decentralization. There's something that I call global personal capitalism that's going to be enabled by the proliferation of non-fungible tokens. It's the capability of anyone in the world to control and monetize their personal information, their activities, or their creations. However, NFTs are facing the same regulatory uncertainty as the broader crypto industry, particularly in the United States, with a major question in the space being whether NFTs can be considered securities. As a savvy crypto investor, it is essential to keep a watchful eye on the regulatory landscape of NFTs. In the meantime, venture firm Pantera Capital is relying on recent enforcement actions from the Securities and Exchange Commission to gauge regulators' views on digital assets. Make sure to comment down below what video you would like to see next, and hit the like button if you learned something new or found the information useful. Also, please consider subscribing if you like this type of content. That's all for now. Until next time, guys.